Hello, Stamping friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stamping with Monica, and welcome to my Sunday recap. I haven't done this in a while. I think the last one was before the Alaska trip. So I decided that even though it's a little late, but I needed to do it and I just came back from visiting my grandkids. So here I am, a quick recap. So if you followed me this past week, you saw me doing the Pretty Party Kit class, alternatives class. I showed you how to assemble these 4 beautiful cards. And this is the class that I'm offering, and registration is closing on July 1st. What you're going to get in this class is first of all, your own kit. The kit, let me open up the one that I have. The kit, it's all-inclusive kit from Stampin' Up, where you get your ink spot, you get your stamp, you get your block, and you get supplies to recreate 9 projects, 9 cards. Hello, Sharon. Thank you for joining us. And so, on top of what is inside of the kit, and let me just grab what I have here. Hold on. So the kit is actually this one. You know, you have this and this one, and this, okay, all these. And let me see, the samples of the card fronts are not out here. I don't want to open it up. But anyways, you get your own kit, and this is a $25 value on its own, okay? On top of that, I am going to send you the supplies for the, what I call alternatives projects. So this would be the first card right here, a pocket card. Then you have this cute masculine card, and I also showed you the alternative that I created during the live for that. Okay, then you'll get to make this fun card right there. Hello, Tamiko, how are you? This is what you get to make. And my other, let me see where the other sample that I showed you, the alternatives that you can add stuff, will do that. And then the last one is the fun fold, this fun fold right here. So the cost of the class is $47 shipped. You get your own kit, okay, plus the supplies to recreate these cards and the PDF tutorial. You will have the instructions, you will have the videos that I've done. There's very little stamping. Everything will be, my supplies will be separated. I am not going to open the kit because you're going to receive it this way. The kit, as I said, has the stamp set, the ink spot, the block, and everything else that you need. What you will need from me is just the supplies to recreate these 4 cards. Well, not all of them. 4 cards, and the PDF tutorial. All the parts that are extra will be included. You just need to open up your kit and take out the little pieces as I showed you in the video, okay? Registration closes on the 1st. I will put the link of the registration at the top of this video, okay? What I have also available is this fun kit that doesn't require any stamping, okay? You'll get to make 18 cards, okay? These are the samples, and we're using the ephemera pack in the new May through August catalog. As you can see, we're going to use all 4 packs, and let's see if I have them here. Hold on, because I forgot to take them here. Where did I put him? Well, where did I put him? Oh, doggy. Hold on. So you can tell that this is a very last minute video. But anyways, I know where they are. I can show you in the catalog. You will get all the 4, half a pack of the ephemera. Okay, you will get half a pack of the label, half a pack of the Under the Sun. Then you will get half a pack of Designer Series paper. Hello everybody. And so and you have a full bolt of the ribbon, a full pack of the rhinestones, and you will create, and I will provide you with the card base, anything that is embossed and anything that is required from me. I will do it. The only thing that you will have to do is follow the PDF tutorial, cut your own Designer Series paper, and you just go to town. You can recreate the cards the way I did it, or you're going to create your own. But let me just show you all them quickly, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, fun fold, 10, fun fold, 11, 12, fun fold, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. Guess what? Did I make 19? I guess I made 19. So you're going to get 19 cards because I showed you 19, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, whatever I showed you, you're going to get the supplies because from me, you will use the ephemera packs, all of them. You get the Designer Series paper, you get the ribbon, the embellishments, you get the PDF tutorial from me. And the PDF tutorial will include the pictures and just the measurements of the Designer Series paper that you need to cut. And the layout is, some of the layouts are repeating, like this one is a repeat kind of this idea. Hold on, let me just find it. Of this idea or this idea. So you don't need a lot of steps, but this is a $50. So you will receive $50 value of supplies, okay? And on top of that, all the cardstock, the insert, and everything to recreate the 18 or 19 cards. Now I'm going to recount, but I made all of these and I had so much fun. The ribbon and everything. PDF tutorial will be included. The cost shipped is $75 and shipped to your door. If you want to come and pick it up, porch pick up, then the price is different, but everything will be in the link that I'm going to put in there. I really enjoyed using the stickers. You will receive a pack of dimensionals because I used dimensionals in the back of each of the stickers because I decided that I didn't want to peel the backing because it was too sticky. So I just took the stickers or these elements out of the packet and just used them. And I don't know why I cleaned up my studio, and I know I put them somewhere because I said I need to show it to them. And guess what? They're right here. Duh. So this is what you're going to get. Half a pack, half a pack, half a pack, half a pack, a full package, and one roll of the ribbon, and half a pack of the Designer Series paper. Okay, so it's product loaded, but it's so fun. And obviously you can follow my instructions or can create your own. Registration for this closes on the 10th, July 10th. So if you want them, if you want this class, register, and then as registrations come in, then I ship them out. Okay, so because I said that they will be hitting the mail on the 20th, but it's, I get people in, I cut and prep, and off they go. Okay, so this is what I'm offering. Now, if you want to have fun this coming week, Join me Monday through the 3rd. So Monday, that's the 29th, through Friday, that is the 3rd. I'm not going to do anything on the 4th because everybody will be busy. That will be my week of online exclusives extravaganza. I will come on each day. I show you one different project. Yes, I know. Hi, Nancy. But I found it because I know they were not that far. So I will show you one project, and we chose different products from the online exclusives that will be. Hello, Cheryl. Thank you for joining us from Florida with your grandsons. I hope you're enjoying your visit. So this week will be a week of Facebook Lives. They're going to be daily drawings and a final grand prize. We're going to show you one project each day. I will tell you all the times, but please know that tomorrow I'll be on at 7:30 because tomorrow morning I'm going to the eye doctor, and I'm pretty sure that I'll be blind because they're going to probably dilate my eyes, and so I won't be able to do anything for a few hours. So just to be safe, I'll be on at 7:30 with one project for you, and then I will have all the different times Monday through Friday for you. So I hope you'll be able to join me, and in this week's extravaganza I will have an ordering special. 7:30 p.m. It will be tomorrow will be 7:30 p.m. because I have an eye doctor appointment tomorrow morning. So for tomorrow I'm gonna do 7:30, and it most likely would be every day around 7:30 because I'll have grandkids and all that jazz. So just to be sure, I cannot commit to a day to a time during the day because I might get a phone call. Please, can you come and help, or can I come over with the kids? So I need to be on the safe side. So I'm not gonna change too much of the schedule. So I would have to say that it will probably be each day at 7:30. So I hope you can join me. I know that for some people it might not work, but I hope you'll be able to join me for this one. So ordering special, as I said, plus I'm going to add an extra freebie or an extra special because I am working towards earning the Costa Rica incentive trip with Stampin' Up, and I'm getting closer, but I'm not there yet. So I need all the help that I can get to get to Costa Rica. So I am rewarding everybody that is helping me out with that. So that is all that I wanted to let you know. Remember, my Pretty Party Kit Alternatives class closes on July 1st. Okie dokie. And then this mega class with 18 or 19 cards, because I thought I made 18, but I guess they're not. I'm going to double count. And you will receive all the product that you need, and there's no stamping required. Just cutting your designer series paper using the I will do all the embossing that is needed. If there's something that needs to be embossed, I will do that. If it is a fun fold, I will prep everything like I usually do. And you're getting also the envelopes. You know that in my classes I always include envelopes. So if you're interested, I will have the link at the top of this video, both of them. And I hope to see you during my online exclusives, July online exclusives extravaganza during this week, okay? Thank you, Nancy. Thank you, Erin. Who else? Cheryl popped in. And then Cheryl and Sharon, both from Florida. Tamiko, Elise, everybody. Thank you, ladies, for joining me. Boy, this is a popular time, I guess, a Sunday night at this time. And for everybody that are watching live or will be watching this on the replay, I will also send a quick reminder later tonight is an email. Well, actually, even tomorrow, because there's not a deadline for today. But watch for my little recap of my Sunday recap, email recap of the Sunday recap. Okay? Thank you, and bye-bye. Good night. Bye.